So I chose to do problem number 1, A and B. So for A, it said write an add to problem that fits naturally with the equation. So in parentheses, it has -4 plus 3 equals question mark. So for this one, I wrote a problem out that says it is -4 degrees outside, -4 degrees Fahrenheit outside in winter. As the day went on, the temperature got warmer by 3 degrees Fahrenheit. How much warmer did the temperature get that day? So when I write the equation out, -4 degrees Fahrenheit plus 3 degrees Fahrenheit, here's the equation that we have to do so far. You add the equal sign. So the answer will be -1 degree Fahrenheit because the -4 is bigger than the +3. So the +3 will not make the 4 become a positive number. So the final answer is it got warmer by the temperature that day is -1 degree Fahrenheit. I know this because when you add a positive number that's smaller to a negative number, when the negative number is bigger, it'll cause the sum to be a negative. For instance, the -4 is greater than the 3 when you just look at it. So it'll make the -1 -1. So for B, it said to write a take from problem that fits naturally with the equation. So I wrote a problem that says it is -4 degrees Fahrenheit outside when it's snowing. The temperature continues to drop another 3 degrees. What is the temperature outside while it's snowing? So again, you start with the equation, -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Since it said it was dropping, that means you're going to subtract the 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the equation right here. -4 degrees is our starting temperature. It dropped another 3 degrees. So I know it'll be -7 degrees Fahrenheit. How do I know this? Well, when you add two negative numbers, it'll make the sum smaller. It is so -4, you have your -4 right here. You have to go further back when you subtract that. So it's -4 minus 3, which will equal -7. I thought of this way to subtract the two numbers. It's like adding. When you add two whole numbers, so for instance, 4 plus 3 is 7, right? So you go more in the positive direction. When you subtract a negative, so -4 and -3, you'll make it go more to the negative side. For instance, how you get -7. And like I said, the sum will continue to get smaller when you subtract. And in the first problem, I knew it was -1 because we were adding a +3 to the -4, which it will not allow that sum to become positive because the -4, you have -4 here and you add the +3, you still have one extra negative that did not get accounted for in a way. So overall, the add to and take from problems are very good to learn, especially at a young age. How to add to when you have a negative and you add to the positive. For example, which would make a positive sum. If you had -4 and you added 6 to that, you would have 2 positive. You'd be +2.